How to cancel an order on Amazon and get money back. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to cancel an order on Amazon and get money back. First, open the Amazon app on your mobile device and log in to your account. Now tap the profile icon next to the home icon at the bottom right corner. After that, select your orders to view your recent orders. Here, scroll through the list to find the order you want to cancel. Next, tap on the order to see its details, and then look for the cancel order option. If it's available, tap it and confirm the cancellation. Now, if you've already been charged, a refund request will be processed automatically. You should receive your refund within a few days. That's it. You've successfully canceled your order and requested a refund on Amazon. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.